If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Netflix account, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to cancel your subscription effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log in using your email address and password. Make sure you are accessing the account that you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Membership and Billing. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Membership and Billing. Here, you will see details about your current subscription plan and billing information. Step 4. Cancel Membership. Click on the Cancel Membership option. Netflix will prompt you with information about what happens when you cancel, including the end date of your access. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming your cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email from Netflix. Make sure to check your email to ensure that the cancellation has been processed successfully. By following these steps, you can stop any recurring charges from Netflix. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Netflix customer support.